Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the perfect egg rolls. I'll start by adding the eggs inside the pot. Add water, salt, cover and cook the eggs for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the eggs are ready. Remove the eggs from the pot. Transfer them inside very cold water to stop the cooking process and to make it easy to remove the peels. I'll peel the eggs. Rinse the egg and repeat this process with the rest of the eggs. Pat the eggs dry with paper towel. And set that aside. In a bowl, add sifted flour, sugar, salt, powdered milk, baking powder, nutmeg. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Add butter or margarine. Mix it until you get a crumbly texture. Add eggs, pineapple flavor or any flavor of your choice, water, mix until a dough is formed. All ingredients used should be at room temperature. Do not over-mix the dough so the egg rolls will not become hard. Cover the dough and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Next, in a pot, add oil and start heating it up. I'll flour the work surface. Place the dough and flatten it a bit. I'll cut the dough into the size I'll be working with. Cover the dough so it won't dry out before you're done. You can use a napkin to do this as well. And I'll place a piece of the dough and flatten it. Add boiled egg. Cover and seal it very well so it won't open inside the oil. Cut out the excess dough and seal it. I'll put that away and repeat the process until everything is done. The egg rolls are ready for frying. I will test the oil temperature with a skewer. Once it's frying it, that means the oil is hot. Add the egg rolls and fry them on medium heat. Stir them so they can fry nicely without getting burns. When the egg rolls are golden brown, they are ready. Remove the egg rolls from the hot oil. Transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the egg rolls, and repeat this process until you are done. The egg rolls are ready and they tasted super delicious. Will you be trying it out? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.